Hey everyone, Mr. Laman here. I just am going to make a quick video where I take you over the schedule for the rest of our trimester together, which is kind of weird to say because it doesn't feel like we've been together all that long, but um, we started all the way back right after Thanksgiving, so I guess it has been a decent amount of time. But anyway, we have about a week and a half, or I guess a full 2 weeks left, depending on when you take your exam. But about a week and a half left of regular class. So here's the schedule that we will be looking at in this last week and a half. So we are here today at Monday, the 22nd. Happy snow day. So tomorrow we're going to pick up with our Chapter 5 test review. Wednesday will be a second day of review. Thursday we'll take the test. And on Friday, on Flex Friday, we will spend time working on makeup work, test corrections. With only 30 minutes of class, we're just going to use that time to kind of clean up some missing assignments or any questions people have about grades or anything like that. So really, this week we're looking at test review and test. That's the main things we have in this last regular week of class. Now, if we move on to next week, so our final week of the trimester, on Monday, we are going to do a quick lesson that will have to do with algebra. Like it says, algebra review. It's not going to be anything crazy. It's not going to be something you haven't seen before. It's just going to be a couple algebra concepts that are going to come up in Geometry B, and I want to remind you of. So it's going to be more of a relaxed day, just where we review some things, have a couple worksheets, but not supposed to be anything stressful or anything that you will see on the final exam. Now on Tuesday, we will have our first day of exam review, Wednesday, second day of exam review, and then, like it says, on Thursday or Friday of next week, you will take your exam. So if you are in second hour, if you are in geometry second hour, you will take your exam on Thursday at, I believe it will be 10 a.m. So Thursday at 10 a.m. If you are in third hour, then you will take your math exam on Friday at 8 a.m. So that's important to note, even for the online students, because all students, in person and virtual, will be taking the exam at the given time. Okay? So let me say that one more time. In other words, virtual students also need to take the exam at the same time that the in-person students will take it. I'm going to have the exam blocked with a code. So the only way you'll be able to get in is using a code. And if you're in second hour, then your exam time would be Thursday at 10 a.m. Thursday, somewhere around 10 a.m., I would expect an email from a virtual student, and that email would be asking me for the code. So I would send you back the code, then you'll have the hour and 30 minutes to take the exam. Okay, and obviously if you were in third hour, then you would wait till Friday morning. You would have to get up by 8 a.m., send me an email, and I'll respond with the code for the exam. So you'll have to take it during your given time. Other than that, that's probably the most important thing from the video, that you need to, if you're not sure what time your exam is, send me an email. But you, virtual students especially, need to make sure you are up, awake, and ready to take your exam. Send me an email, I'll respond with the code, and then you'll log right in and take your exam. Okay? If you have any questions about that or about what the next 2 weeks will look like, just let me know. Otherwise, have a good rest of your day.